Welcome back to this channel. Here is another video on how you can remove subscription in your paid apps. So in this video I'm going to show you another method of how you can remove the subscription in that particular app using another method. In this tutorial I'm going to be using book betting tips, but here I'm going to install the app. So after installing, let's open this app. So here is the free tips in this particular app, and here are the plans in this particular app. So now let's access the free tip here. As you can see, the free tip is going to show without any problem, and here let's try and access the VIP subscription here, and you can see here is the subscription requested to access this particular page. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove the subscription and access the page for free without having to pay any amount. So now to do that, kindly go back over to your phone browser and then go to google.com, search for a tool and install. The tool is called the Lucky Patcher. You can download it through the official website. You can navigate through the website to download. Then after download, you can proceed to install it on your device. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel, as that motivates us a lot to serve you even more better. Turn on your notification bell so you can get notified of all our latest video on this channel. So now after installing your tool, go back and search for your tool and then open the tool. You can open it here. Select your app which you want to modify. Select the menu of patches, selecting the fourth option which says APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Select that, and here select the support patch for LVL and in-app emulation, which is the first option here. After ensuring the first and the second option here is selected, then you can proceed to rebuild the app. Click OK. So while we wait for this process to be completed, share this video with your friends so they can also follow this same process to remove the subscription in their various VIP apps. Thank you as you do so. So now you can see the process is completed already. So what you are going to need to be selecting now is the go to file, and then select the second option here which says uninstall and install. Click on yes, click on OK. So now do you want to install this app? Click on install. So now the app has been successfully installed on your device. So now click OK, then go back to your phone menu and search for the app which is Bet Book used in this tutorial. So now here is our app. Here are the subscription plans. So now let's start from the first VIP plan right here. So as you can see, here is the subscription payment being requested for, and now select it and then click on yes. You bought the deluxe VIP. Now you can access the elite VIP. Congratulations. So now close the app and then open it again, and then go and access go to this, and here you can see you've already purchased the deluxe VIP, and now you can access this particular elite VIP subscription plan for free. And here come to this particular fixed VIP, and here you can see you can also access this for free. Single VIP plus double VIP, select that, and here you can see you can also access this for free. Correct score VIP, here you can see all these particular VIP plans are now available for free. And if you like this video, comment under this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.